Hello everyone, we'll be taking you on a quick tour of the most common remix layout, which is what's on your screen right here. We have the very skinny column on the left side, which is called the icon panel. Each little icon there is going to choose what plugin appears in the side panel. The side panel is the thicker column to the right of it, and that's where the GUI of most plugins will appear. The compartment that takes up most of the screen, where all the text is the main panel, and that's where you can edit all of your files. The terminal is the bar along the bottom, and that's where you can see the results of interactions with GUI and run your scripts.
Yeah, so basically what we're going to do today is we're going to look at this pretty simple smart contract that we made. And so what it does is basically a number guessing game. And so that's pretty self-intuitive. You basically make the computer generate a random number, and then you have to keep guessing until you get that correct number. And it basically, I'm just going to go over like the simple functions here. So the first function, create random, makes it a random number. This one increases the tries, and then right here, this is the main function. Basically, it compares your guess to the generated random number, and yeah, so basically it's gonna say like correct if you got it right, wrong if it's like lower or higher, and so like the purpose of this smart contract is to really show you guys Remix and Solidity. You shouldn't be too afraid to like try it, I guess, because obviously you can do this on like Python, and you can basically make anything out of smart contracts. So let's test it out. And so this is also a big part of testing out on Remix. First, you have to compile the Solidity file so that compiled successfully. And then after, you're gonna want to deploy the contract. And so after you deploy, there's gonna be something right here that says deployed contracts right here, right? And so we have the functions, the three functions, create random, message, and then guess. And so our code, well, the tries doesn't really, or the message won't really do anything for now, but that shouldn't matter. But then, so basically when we click the create random button, it's gonna run this function right here. It's gonna create this random number. And then so in this guess function, since we have a parameter that we can put in, we're gonna put a uint256, so let's just try 20. Wrong, guess higher. So we have to go higher, right? Let's go 25. Oh, still higher. Let's try 30. It's lower, so let's try 27. And then, yeah. And obviously you can change the variable x into the tries, number of tries, but you guys should get the general idea of how everything works. Honestly, I like the way that there's just the functions listed out here and you can like input stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. But that's basically the general basis of how Remix works. And thank you.